Hello, I'm David of Systra. Today we'd like to make an EA that uses binary score. Binary score means it will set a certain score for each conditions, which will add up to become a total score. When the total binary from each different conditions of a group surpasses the binary of that group, EA will trigger a trade. It's a convenience when certain conditions have more weights than others, or when one wants to combine multiple conditions. In this particular example, the binary group is consisted of following 4 conditions. First, moving average of 5 days is greater than moving average of 20 days. The score given will be 3. Stochastic K line is greater than stochastic D line. The binary score here is 2. Condition 3. RSI 20 days line is less than standard line, which is 30, and this has a binary score of 2 as well. Condition 4. Parabolic line is less than the current price. Binary is also 2. Apart from the conditions, there is another condition that must be fulfilled before moving to check the validity of those conditions, which is current price being above the moving average of 20 days. The conditions stated above as from 1 to 4 are grouped as group 1 and binary. Binary total price is 5. So, when the market's current price is above MA20's line, and if the total binary score is more than 5, the trade will be triggered. Profit will be taken at 30 pips, and stop loss is set at 50 pips below. It is important to understand the tree structure of each tabs to create an EA with EA cube. The tree structure is rather simple in basic mode. Set your conditions for the strategy and combine them to make a signal. Once your signal is ready, set your option and finalize your EA in the EA setting tab. The current slide is an outline for this example. The left side shows each process of EA cube's tabs and structures, while the right side shows each tab's title, category, and components. Before we move on, there's an important reminder. The titles we use here are written in our own terms. They may seem like coding languages, but they're just to help you understand what we are doing. You can always come up with your own titles, but it is a tip that you write the title in a way to help you remember what you are doing. There are 4 steps to this EA. In the first step, we'll set a prerequisite condition and 4 conditions for the binary. So let's go to the condition tab. As was told in the example, we'll be making 4 binary conditions and 1 premise condition. So MA will be the first condition, fill the title. Hopefully by now everybody knows how to make MA5 is greater than MA20. Choose your indicator, specify the period. So on the left side is 5, and on the right side the period is 20. The left side is greater. The time frame we will be using is 1 day. So that was our first condition for the binary. The second, it's using the stochastic, so fill the title again. And in order to set line K is greater than line D, we must know each line's mode value. Here, the line K has a mode value of 0. Can see it's 0. Confirm. and line D will be 1. So change it to 1. And the left side is greater. Time frame is 1 day. Now we'll set that RSI is less than 30. So choose the title. And for the left section, select RSI from our indicators list. And on the right side, use the direct input, put 30. And 30 should be greater. Time frame, 1 day. And click add. The final condition for the binary, it will be using the parabolic SAR, so fill the title. Choose the parabolic SAR from the indicators list. And the closing price will be on the right side. Time frame is one day. And add. And now to our premise condition. So set the title. Give it a description. The left side will be the closing price. And the right side will be MA20. The left side is greater. Time frame will be 1 day. And click on add. Step 2. In this stage, we will combine all the conditions we've came up with and make a signal for buy open. And now, let's go to the signal tab. By combining all the titles aforementioned, let's create a buy open signal. Fill out the title and premise condition will go to AND group. For binary conditions, we'll go into binary group and give each condition a score accordingly. First one was 3, and the remaining conditions were given 2 scores. And click add. Step 3. We will adjust our options. Open option and other option will be set as a default. And for close option, profit 30, stop loss of 50 will be selected. And now let's set our options. So fill out the title and set the close option per this example. profit was to be taken at 30 pips, and stop loss was triggered at 50 pips loss. Click Add. Final step. By using all the conditions and options and signals we created, we will finalize our EA. Now, let's move to EA Setting tab. We'll combine signals and options to finalize our EA. For the title, and select the close option that we created before. And for open, select the signal title we made ready. Click on the Add button. And now click on the Compile on the title to save the list, and you will see your EA file.